Grant riding his train. Go ahead.
Yeah, buddy.
Go ahead. Keep going.
Grant.
Go ahead. Keep going.
Oh, show him what you've been doing.
Oh, he's got to get off this train for a
Show him.
sec.
Show him. And then. Really? You're not?
I haven't showered today.
Oh, honey, go show him.
Sweats.
Oh, you're fine. Alright. And then he does it by himself.
You got it.
Woo!
Keep going, buddy.
Keep going! Oh, you want to do mama? Hi, baby. Hey, you did good. Oh, you want the camera? Oh. Here, look. We can film together. Hold on to it. Hold on to it. That's daddy. Oh.
You climb back in. You get back on the rails.
On your bottom. Grant, on your bottom.
Get on the bottom.
He's such a jerk. Grant, on your bottom. Keep going. See, you're gonna fall off. Grant, you're gonna fall. What a jerk.
Did you see the smile?
Yeah, I know, when he was going around. Get on. And then you gotta sit down. On your bottom.
Bottom, not your knees.
There we go. Good boy. Woo-hoo! Keep going, buddy. Help him.
Keep going, buddy. You gotta push the black one with your foot.
Looks like he's got hydraulics. Grant!
None of this trick choo-choo stuff. Use your hands.
Whee!
You gotta push it now. There you go.
Good job! Yay!
See how it doesn't come yet?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yay! You can do? Yay!
Yay!
Yay! How'd Beagle get in here? Really? This is how our 16-month-old talks. He doesn't really know any words yet. Yay, good boy! Is this your train? Train. Okay, say bye-bye.
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 Bye.